Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Men's World. In this video I have come up to show one more beautiful designing on this plain blouse. You can look at this blouse which is so simple. The saree is also so simple, so I thought using the thread work I would be embellishing with the bead and turning this plain blouse new designer blouse. So let's quickly start with this designing. Firstly, I'd be highlighting the neckline using the chain bow lace and stone lace by applying the glue and sticking it, and next to that I'd be using the cord of maroon color and giving an invisible stitches on it for the joining of that cord, and next to that cord I had again applied the glue to stick the chain bow lace and stone lace. Next, the design will be expanded using 7 mm drop shape frame which is of gold color. In this way I'd be sticking on the complete neckline. So using these frames I'd be working with the thread work pattern, which will really gives the stunning appeal once you try it. At the end you can watch the final lookout, which will give the complete idea. Really so simple and yet stylish looking. Beautiful designer blouse for that plain saree. This is how I'd be fixing with the using of glue and fixing these frames. So for the thread work here I'd be using maroon color dolly thread, or also you can try with the anchor threads which is of 12 strands here. Also using gold zeri thread of 12 strands. If you want much more volume you can increase or decrease the strands volume, and this is how the filling has to be done using the satin stitch. It's just so simple. 3 to 4 times of stitches we have to give in this drop shape frames. Underneath 2 drop shape frames I'd be working with the maroon color thread and the center one with the gold zari thread. This is how on the complete neckline I'd be joining with the thread work. Once the thread work is done, the final lookout would look like this. And now I'd be using 12 strands of zari thread and filling in this center of drop shape frames like how I've shown previously for the red color. Instead of thread work, you can also work out this with the kundans of same size using multiple colors. Recently most of them were requesting to show thread work pattern, so I thought this may be useful to you all. If you think it is much more time consuming, then you better go with the kundans of same size. So like this I'd also fill in the center of these frames with the zari thread. And now that the complete thread work is done, the glue is also completely dried, I'd be giving an invisible stitches on this complete neckline like this, on the chain bow lace and stone lace, also on these drop shape frames at the tips. And as these are designer patterns, we have to go with the light wash or dry wash to stay for long run. And in the leftover gaps, I'd be working here with the 1 mm gold metallic bead along with the sugar bead. Both I'd be inserting at a time. This will fill up the empty space on this blouse. So wherever it is required, that means the leftover space on this complete gaps I'd be filling with gold metallic bead, also with the sugar bead. Both I'd be inserting at a time and giving an invisible stitches for the joining of these beads. And the final lookout of this beautiful design blouse along with the neckline, also I had given the same designing on the sleeves opening also. Once completed, the beautiful designer blouse is here. Really friends, this is so bright because the saree and blouse is so simple. I had worked with using the contrasted color. The thread work designing is so simple. I hope sharing of this idea is really useful to you all. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Men's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more.